Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to code your own indicator in NinjaTrader. First, open NinjaTrader on your computer. Wait for the platform to fully load and make sure you can see the Control Center window. Now go to the top menu in the Control Center and click on the New button. From the drop-down list, select Ninja Script Editor. This will open the editor where you can create and manage your custom scripts. When the editor opens, you will see a wizard. In this wizard, you need to configure your settings. Start by giving your indicator a clear and simple name. Then go through the available options and enable or disable the features you want for your indicator. Take your time here because this setup controls how your script will behave. Once you are done with the settings, click on Generate. The platform will automatically create a script template for you. This template includes the basic structure you need. Now you can begin coding. Inside the script, you can add your own logic, calculations, and functions. Focus on writing clean and simple code so it is easy to manage later. After you finish coding, press F5 on your keyboard. This will compile the script. If there are errors, the system will show them at the bottom. Fix any issues and compile again until there are no errors. Next, open any chart where you want to use your indicator. Right-click on the chart and select the Indicators option. Scroll through the list until you find your custom indicator. Double-click on it, then click Apply. You should now see your indicator working on the chart. Thanks for watching.